If you have archived chats on Telegram and want to find them, then simply follow these steps. So firstly, open Telegram on your iPhone and Android. After you do so, make sure you are logged into your Telegram account. Then navigate to the chat or conversation area. So here, if you cannot find your archived chats, then all you have to do is scroll to the top of your chat list. You will see archived chats. If you have archived chats, you can see archived chats option available at the top. Simply tap on it and tap archive chats to open it. If you want to unarchive them, you can simply slide it to the left side and unarchive it. If you don't see it, then pull down that chat screen to reveal the archive chats folder. So that is it. Now archive chats will stay hidden until you manually check them. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.